Welcome back. This time, we're going to go into Amazon Textract. But before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with anyone you know taking the AWS Machine Learning Associate exam. Transforming documents into structured data. So, in our increasingly digital world, organizations grapple with vast amounts of information locked away in scanned documents, PDFs, and images. Traditional optical character recognition, or OCR tools, can extract text, but they miss crucial relationships and structure that make documents meaningful. Amazon Textract revolutionizes this challenge by using machine learning to understand not just what text exists, but how it relates to other elements, extracting forms, tables, key value pairs, and semantic meaning from visual documents. Okay. So beyond simple text recognition, Textract represents a significant evolution from traditional OCR technology. While conventional tools treat documents as flat collections of text, Textract understands document structure and context. It recognizes that a document contains tables and headers with rows, right? Forms with field labels and values, and hierarchical information where layout conveys meaning. The service handles diverse document types with sophisticated feature sets. OCR text detection extracts raw text from any scanned document or image. Form data extraction identifies and maps key value pairs like date of birth equals July 30th, 1995. Table extraction reconstructs complex tables while preserving headers, rows, and relationships. Textract queries enable natural language questions to find specific information within documents. ID document analysis provides specialized templates for passports, driver's licenses, and official identification. Expense analysis understands receipts and invoices, automatically identifying merchants, items, amounts, and other financial details. Amazon Textract operates as a part of a comprehensive data processing ecosystem rather than as a standalone tool. Documents typically originate in Amazon S3, making them immediately available and accessible for analysis. Lambdas can automate workflows triggered by document uploads, enabling real-time processing as new documents arrive. Amazon Comprehend provides post-processing capabilities for extracted text, adding entity recognition and sentiment analysis. Amazon A2I offers human review capabilities for regulated environments where accuracy validation is critical. Amazon SNS and EventBridge notify applications when processing completes, enabling downstream automation. SageMaker and Athena can consume extracted structured data for machine learning pipelines or analytical queries. This integration approach transforms document processing from isolated tasks into seamless business workflows. So the pricing. So Textract pricing reflects its advanced capabilities, with costs varying by feature complexity. Basic OCR text detection operates at 15 hundredths of a cent, right, per page. Form detection increases to 5 cents per page, reflecting the additional processing required to understand the structure. Table detection costs 15 hundredths of a penny per page. Specialized analysis commands premium pricing. ID documents analysis are 25 hundredths of a penny per page, and expense document analysis is 10 cents per page. The free tier provides 1,000 pages monthly for OCR and 100 page monthly for form and table analysis, enabling extensive experimentation and prototyping. This pricing structure aligns costs with value delivered, where basic text extraction remains affordable while advanced semantic understanding commands higher appropriate premiums. So let's get into the practice. Textract. Through the console, the most effective way to grasp this is through some direct experimentation. So we're in the console. We're going to try it. Click try. You can review the available options. All right, so what we see in front of us is a general pay stub, right? So you can look at this and see all of the results that it pulls out, okay? On this, why is it not letting me highlight everything? Unless I go probably into like, nope. All right, but it's grabbing out all this information, right? The hourly costs, the state IDs, the names, and it gets anything for a comprehensive demonstration. Then you have analysis. Let's see. Okay, so you can see the layout here, and you can see how it goes from that raw text to specific information, and you see the confidence scores here, right? So from here, you can see the confidence score, the information is pulling out, the titles, headers, the key value pairs, basically. Then you can go over to forms, right? And then you can examine this in key value pairs like pay date, department, marital status, all this information automatically identified and structured. Then you can go to the table structure, right? This will analyze tables to see any tabular data with preserved headers, rows, and relationships. And then let's see some queries. So you can test the queries tab by asking, let's see. Oh, well, I already had this. Okay? So what's the year to date gross pay? Shows $23,000 and some change. What's the gross pay for this period? $453. What's the federal income tax for this period? Negative $40. See this? So this asks some interesting stuff. Looks for signatures. It looks like it found one signature right here, right? It's about 80% confident. You can also do custom document testing. So you can upload your personal documents in PDF, JPEG, or PNG files, usually under 10 megabytes in the demo mode. And then you can compare the analysis quality. So you can observe how Textract handles different document types, layouts, and image quality. And then you can evaluate extraction accuracy and assess the service's ability to correctly identify structure and relationships in your specific document types. So I hope this shows you how Textract can transform static document images into structured, queryable data that applications can process automatically. All right. Okay, so real world applications. So Textract enables documents. It enables document automation scenarios that were previously impractical or prohibitively expensive. So financial services organizations automate invoice processing, extracting vendor information, line items, and payment details for automatic entry into accounting systems. A healthcare provider might digitize patient records, insurance claims, and medical forms while maintaining HIPAA compliance through integration with Amazon A2I for human review workflows. Public sector applications include passport and ID verification systems, tax form processing, and government application intake. Legal firms might process contracts and court documents at scale, extracting key terms and conditions for review and analysis. Insurance companies would automate claims processing by extracting relevant information from submitted documents and photos. So this integration with Comprehend Medical or AWS HealthLake enables sophisticated healthcare document processing, while connection to AWS Fraud Detector supports financial compliance and risk management workflows. Okay. Okay, so some advanced capabilities, right? So Textract queries represent a significant advancement in document analysis, enabling natural language questions that find specific information regardless of document layout or format. Instead of requiring rigid templates or predefined field mappings, users can ask contextual questions that leverage the service's understanding of document semantics. For organizations processing high volumes of regulated documents, integration with Amazon 2I provides human-in-the-loop review capabilities. This ensures that extracted image information meets compliance requirements while maintaining automation efficiency for routine processing. The service handles complex document scenarios, including multi-page documents, mixed content types within single documents, handwritten annotations on printed forms, and varying document quality from different scanning sources. All right, so some implementations, best practices, and we'll go over a little bit of monitoring. So successful production deployment requires attention to data quality, processing volumes, and integration patterns. You implement document quality validation to ensure optimal extraction results. Monitor processing times and success rates through CloudWatch metrics. You set up an automated error handling for documents that fail processing or require human review. You consider batch processing strategies for high volume scenarios and real-time processing for interactive applications. And you can implement appropriate security controls for sensitive document content, including encryption at rest and in transit. Plan for continuous improvement through accuracy monitoring, user feedback collection, and periodic review of extraction quality across different document types and sources. All right. So Amazon Textract transforms the traditionally labor-intensive process of document data extraction into an automated, scalable capability that integrates naturally with modern cloud architectures. By understanding the document structure and semantics rather than just recognizing text, it enables organizations to unlock the value contained in their visual document archives while building robust, automated business processes. So that's all for this time. I want to say thank you Next time, we'll go over Amazon Kendra. But before we sign off, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with anyone you know taking the AWS Machine Learning Associate exam. Thank you, and have a good day.